Hey everyone, today I'm in the beautiful Santa Monica Mountains located in Southern California. Today I will be taking you on the Portero Tri-Peaks trailhead to the top of Santa Monica Mountains. Along the trail, I will be showing you how to cook my famous Sicilian-style ribeye steak. This is a recipe my Sicilian father-in-law showed me about 5 to 6 years ago. Every chance we get to eat steak or cook it ourselves, we do it this way. This is a 10.5-mile trail with almost 3,500 feet total climbing and about 5 to 6 hours. If you like this video and want to see more hiking and cooking outdoors, please subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, here is my Sicilian-style ribeye on the Santa Monica Mountains. Alright guys, I made it to the last mile and a half here to Tri-Peaks, and I'm about to enter the mountaineering zone. I'm on the north side of the peak.
Just because I really love you, baby. Just because I really love you. Just because I really love you, baby. Just because I really love you. Just because I really love you, baby. Just because treat me. Just baby, love you. Just baby, love you. I let you treat me bad. Let you make me sad.
This is definitely an adventure, you guys. There's all these tiny little footholes, pretty solid rock, but lots of different trails up here too, so it makes it a little hard to navigate. You kind of keep second guessing yourself. Am I going the right way? But yeah, just want to keep looking down for footprints, which I keep seeing. Oh man. I read a lot that this was pretty gnarly, and I never believe it till I get there and I actually see for myself. Oh. Got a lot of ways to go, you guys.
Think it over.
Funky.
I'm almost at the top of Tri Peaks. I am more than surprised at how difficult, how fun this whole hike has been. I highly recommend it. I'm giving it 5 stars right now. Sorry, Hebrew Hammer, you couldn't be here right now. He's got a torn labrum and a separated shoulder. I know this hike has been on the top of his list of hikes to do, and I probably should have waited for him, but you know, I had to get it in when I could. Stay tuned, everybody. Once I get up here at Tri Peaks, I'm gonna show you guys how to cook my famous Sicilian-style ribeye steak. I'm starving right now. I can't wait to get this going, you guys. I'll see you in a little bit. guys, I made it. Try Peaks. Now we just gotta find a good place to cook. And I think I found one here. Alright guys, I'm up here at Tri Peaks. It's been a beautiful day so far, but I'm starving. So today I'm going to show you how to make my famous Sicilian-style ribeye steak. Ingredients. First we got lemons. I got rosemary, fresh oregano, choice Angus ribeye steak, olive oil, salt, pepper, fresh minced garlic. I boiled and chopped some red potatoes last night. I got my BioLite here, and I got some great views, you guys. There's not gonna be too much prep today, but we're gonna get it started. First, we're gonna mince up some of this oregano. I like to just strip it off the leaves like that. That looks great, you guys. Next, we're gonna hit up this lemon here. Whew, I'm hungry, you guys. It looks like we're all set, ready to start cooking. Next, we're gonna season our choice Angus ribeye. We're gonna do some pepper. Ooh, that might have been a little too much. It's hard to get everything perfect out here. Just a little bit here. We're gonna kind of just rub that in really good. Fresh minced garlic. Our oregano. And lastly, our lemon. All right, guys, we're gonna start off with our olive oil. We're gonna make sure this gets really hot. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Wow. Got our potatoes in there. Gonna add some fresh garlic. Plus gonna add some salt and pepper. All right, you guys, these are done. Beautiful. Thanks for watching, everybody. It's been a long, tough day. I'm gonna cut up this steak and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. This is the Hiking Chef. We'll see you next time.